Hey y'all, it's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a retie with me video on my DIY micro twist lock extensions that I did on myself. This is about my 1 month update of this hair, and as you guys can see, my hair is flourishing and it's looking really good. So I had already retied the front side and the entire back side of my hair. As you guys can see, it looks nice and neat and really good. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I retie the other front side of my hair. And as you guys can see, all that new growth that I have, you can definitely tell that it's time to get a retie. As I go ahead and unloose this front section of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the details of this hair that I did use. So the hair that I did use is from Queen Virgin Retie hair, also known as QVR hair. Here on TikTok, I did use 6 bundles of their Afro kinky bulk hair in the length 22 inches and in the natural brown color. This crochet tool is what I will be using to retie my roots. I have sped up most of this front section just so that the video won't be too long, but I am showing you basically how long it takes for me to do this front section of my hair. And it really didn't take me that long. It probably took me about an hour, maybe even less than that, to complete this one front side of my hair. And as you guys can see, I'm closer to the top. This is my last row that I have left. I am going to slow this section down so that you can see exactly how I do this process. Now, take your time, set some time aside when you guys are ready to retie your own hair, and you want to make sure that you're pinning your hair out of the way, each row, each lock, so that you don't accidentally tie 2 locks into one. That's going to be very hard to undo. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and thread my hair through the hole on that crochet needle. And I'm going to take it about 1/4 of the way, and I'm going to bend it up. Then I'm going to do a 2-point rotation. So I'm only going in through one side, whether it's the left or right side, depending on what side of the hair you're on. And then I'm going to go down the top side of that Microloc. And I'm just going to repeat that over again, through the side and then down the top side. And that is my 2-point rotation. And that's basically what I did throughout my entire head. Now, there is different rotations that you guys can use when retying your hair. A 2-point rotation will give you the most volume over a length of time, and I love volume in my hair. I love my hair to look very full. So that is mainly why I went with a 2-point rotation. Most people do a 3-point rotation because you still get that fullness, but you also get a more sleeker look with a 3-point rotation. A 4-point rotation, you really don't have any room for much expansion over time, and your locks do look more uniform with a 4-point rotation over time. So just keep that in mind. I went with a 2-point rotation because I love volume and I love fullness in my hair. Another thing that I want to go ahead and mention is that I am retying my hair on dry, unwashed hair. The reason why I am doing this is because my locks aren't fully mature and I want to prevent as much slippage as possible. So now that I'm done retying my entire head, I'm going to go ahead and plait my hair into about 8 plaits. Because my hair is so full and I don't want my plaits to be super thick, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into 8 plaits, plait them down, then I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. And this will help me to prevent as much slippage as possible. If you guys want to see a video on how I do that, comment down below and let me know if you guys like this video. Follow, hit that like button, and subscribe for more.